Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I have a really fun tutorial for you. I'm super excited to bring you this holiday glam inspired look. It is a smoky green eye with a metallic red wing and metallic red lips. And it's using all new holiday products that were just released for holiday 2018, like the Lorac Shine Bright eyeshadow palette, some face palettes, some holiday lip products. So I'm really excited to play with all these products with you and bring you a really glamorous, easy holiday look. Let's just get started. So I've already primed my eyes with the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Primer, and I've been loving using this primer and not setting it with a powder. So now I'm going into the Shine Bright palette and the shade Nectar right here with a fluffy crease brush, and pop that in the transition area, slightly in and above the crease. I really do find that this palette lives up to the quality of the rest of my Lorac shadows. I know a lot of brands, like their holiday releases, aren't as good as their normal products, but this to me is just as good as their like pro formula, and I do really enjoy it. And then on a tapered blending brush, take Smoked Plum and put that on the outer corner and fluff it into the crease. Then turn the brush sideways and blend them together because I want this to be really smoky. Then take that fluffy brush you started with no additional product and go over and just marry them together. Then on a flat shader brush, take Spruce, this dark green, spritz it with setting spray, and put that all over the lid. Look how metallic that is. That is so pretty. And then take that tapered blending brush and blend out the edges and blend everything together. That's pretty much the upper lid. So then I'm going to take a small liner brush and the metallic red Man Eater by Smashbox and draw a wing. And I just sharpen the wing up a little bit with some lotion and a tissue, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to do the other eye, my base, my brows, and come back and do the lower lash line and the face. Okay, so I put on my base, my brows, and my lashes. I am using the Kiss Blowout Updo lashes, and they're just really natural and wispy and lightweight. Then for the waterline, I am taking the ColourPop Teaspoon Gel Liner. Then taking the Shine Bright palette and the taper blending brush, I'm going to go into Nectar and really blow out the lower lash line. Then take a smudger brush and spruce that green color on the lid and smudge that along the lashes. Then take that taper brush with no additional product and sort of blend that out a little bit. I've been super hooked on a really smoky lower lash line lately. Then for the inner corner, I'm just taking a single from Looksy. This is Limelight. It is like a duochrome limey color. Then I'm going to add mascara to the lower lash line. I'm just using the Bad Gal Bang. And then for the face, I have two holiday palettes I want to play with. And the first one is the Lorac Shine Bright Face Palette. It has these 4 blushes and 2 highlights. I am going to be taking Aura right here on a blush brush and popping that on my cheeks. I just toned it down a bit with the end of the sponge I used for my foundation because I forgot how pigmented Lorac blushes are. They are flippin' intense. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette, and I am going to be mixing a few shades together. I'm going to be mixing Golden Flower Crown and White Lily together and popping that on my brow bone. And putting it on the high points of my face. I love the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters. They look so like glowy. It's just a glow. Like I feel like I have a Snapchat filter on right now. So the only thing that's really left to do is the lips. First, I'm going to line with the Bare Minerals Get It pencil. Then I'm going to take from the Holidays collection from Smashbox the shade Misconduct right here. Then instead of a gloss on the center of the lips, I'm taking Man Eater, that metallic red we used as an eyeliner, to kind of tie the eyes and the lips together. Alright, then finish with a setting spray. And this is the completed look with the Lorac Shine Bright palette. And that completes my holiday glam tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!